Guys, I'm concerned. I never imagined that retail trading, once a respected profession, would fall so far so fast and become a mockery in the financial world. But here we are. I would say 80% of this rat candle happened in the last 10 years alone. It's an alarming rate, and who is to blame? The so-called trading gurus, the irresponsible outsiders who have done to trading what Elizabeth Holmes did to biotechnology. Today, we're diving into the dark side of trading education. There is a huge difference between a consistently profitable trader who teaches and those who profit from publishing videos and posts while avoiding the one question that matters most. Do you actually make money from trading? Because if you can't make it happen yourself, why should anyone trust your advice, signals, or strategy? Yet somehow, every trading guru out there claims to make the majority of their income from trading. But when it's time to prove it, suddenly we're in the gray area filled with excuses and tricks. In this video, I will show you how to spot these fake gurus. You will learn their latest schemes and all the different ways they scam traders using AI bots, Photoshop, funnels, and social accounts. It's an entire empire built on the money you lose. And today, I will expose it. The biggest red flag of all is the lack of a verifiable track record. It's extremely difficult for a fake guru to falsify a track record that goes back on a month or even two. So they will avoid this topic entirely or manipulate platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5 to show fake trades. Just search on YouTube for how to fake MT4 and MT5 results, and you will be shocked. Gurus, on the other hand, take a different approach. Some cherry-pick their winning trades and bury the rest under piles of fake comments and BTS. Others take the shortest shortcut and show their trades on the chart only, like they invented the longest short drawing tools. Always look for a verified track record. A real trader should be able to show consistent results over time. I'm not saying every single trade has to be a winner, but at least more money should be coming in than going out. And the longer the period, the stronger the track record. Another common telltale sign is anyone guaranteeing massive returns with little to no risk. Like the infamous how I turned $500 into $50,000 in 1 month's trading. These types of claims really tick me off. Guys, think of it this way. There is the real trading approach, that one that needs good education, time, patience, and risk management to grow. It could take you months or even years to master this approach and become profitable. And then there is everything that targets greed in people. More returns, less time, less effort, no risk. That's absurd. The sad truth, it's often the younger, less educated audience that falls for it. They think they have found a gem in a pile of garbage, but sadly, it's just garbage. The reality of trading is that losses are part of the journey. A real educator will be upfront about the challenges of trading and the potential losses. That's exactly what happened to me at the start of my journey. I learned everything there is to know about risk before I made any money from trading. That's what I pass on to my students today. Let's talk about the flashy lifestyle videos you have probably seen on YouTube and Instagram. Flashy wealth, surrounded by Lamborghinis, designer watches, private jets, private yachts, private beaches, private whatever. Then boom! Some excellent trading results followed by a plug for their trading course. Essentially, they are marketing the course through luxury images instead of genuine education. That's a huge red flag. You see, there is a fine line between genuinely enjoying wealth and renting everything for a day just to hype the course sales. In this day and age, it's impossible to judge a trader from their lifestyle alone. Honestly, some traders have no problem paying premium dollars to be perceived as wealthy because the audience will connect the dots for them. If he's that wealthy, I should do exactly what he does. Big mistake. don't connect the dots for anyone. Let me ask you this question. How many times did you come across a signal service on a Telegram or Discord? How many times have you followed their recommendations and ended up losing money? This is one of the biggest scams in trading. They aim to generate testimonials, comments, and review to funnel victims into their profitable signal service. I'm sure you have seen some of these comments on YouTube. To top it off, if everything goes wrong in the scheme, they will deactivate all of these accounts and start over in less than a day. All operations will be back to normal. Add to that the courses and services that are marked as exclusive or limited time. They often push you into buying without explaining what's inside. These services are almost always high on promises but low on actual actionable information. As a trader who wanted to create real trading education from day one, I had to research all of these shady tactics so that my approach stays far from these businesses. I kept asking, how can we fix everything that went wrong in retail trading in the past 10 years? And I have to say, the answer was neither cheap nor easy. It took me 3 years and it cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars to create a trading education program with proven results. Honestly, it was a dream of mine to have as many brilliant traders in one place and all speaking the same trading language as I do. And it worked. A social trading platform. It has everything a beginner trader needs. Mentors, daily grids, live sessions, weekly analysis, classrooms, calendars, practical applications, timelines, messaging between students and mentors, and finally customer support. As for the rest of you who still believe in logic and common sense, I encourage you to check and challenge every single payout that comes across your way. Do whatever is needed to separate the real traders from the gurus and make sure the trading community is free of the scams. So there you have it. I still don't think we covered everything on this subject. Like some of the tactics that we covered were fairly new and they are getting more and more aggressive every month. I always notice a spike in the scam bots whenever Bitcoin is rallying so they can prey on more beginners, and I'm pretty sure 6 or 7 months down the road, we will start seeing more cruel tactics designed to scam more vulnerable people. Remember, retail trading takes time, patience, and genuine effort. If anyone is promising unrealistic instant wealth, it's time to look the other way. So guys, I really thank you for watching this video until the end. Stay smart, protect your money, like the video, and keep on grinding. See you next time. Bye.